Yeah, just want to get the view coming in. Abu Dhabi. It's the Khalidiya Rayhaan. Yeah, that's me. AKA Hollywood. Check out the living area. Got Vinny over there chilling, macking, yo. The bed on deck. Telephone. Gave me a pad too. Got the TV.
Check this out, Trav.
Name on it. Oh shit. See, this is some shit we didn't even plan for. I didn't even know we had this in the room. What the fuck is this? See, move this curtain over. See how this works. What? There's a door? There's a door here. Yo. Got a balcony.
It's fucking hot.
It's 100 degrees outside right now. 100 degrees. You kidding me? Got the balcony. The ocean view. Sea view. Pool downstairs. Damn, it's so hot my glass is fogged up. We got a place for the kids over here. It's not bad. See how that beach is going a little later. We'll go inside with the AC. As soon as I get around this curtain, I almost tripped. Got beverages and shit. But I brought my own beverage, if you know what I mean. It's Hollywood again. Got the walk-in shower, whatever you want to call that shit. And bathtub. Alright. Peace.